welcome back to the Ruby Piano. Today I'm going to show you the notes for Wednesday's cello solo from the new Netflix show Wednesday. It's really called Paint It Black, but yeah, here's how it goes. And I'm going to give you a couple tips on how to do it. At the beginning, it plays a C after every note. And if you're using two hands like I am, it feels like you're going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You can use one hand if you want to do it properly, but you can use two hands if you just want to play for fun. And after you learn that, the last part, it's going two on each note. So it's going left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. Okay, so it's going to be like this. Two of those, D sharps, middle, and that's how that part goes. So that's how you can practice the parts. And what you do is you play slow at first, then you speed them up until you can play them faster. And yeah, have fun. Have a great day. Bye.